Did you know you can now trigger actions directly from your Power BI reports? This streamlines decision-making and operational follow-through with translytical task flows, all without leaving your report. Here's what you can do. Modify data records. Add, update, or delete data records based on filter context and report inputs. Annotate data points. Capture and display annotations directly within the report for better context and collaboration. Send dynamic notifications. Trigger real-time alerts to drive awareness or prompt specific actions. Launch approval workflows. Initiate workflows that route requests for approval to designated users or admins. Augment data. Retrieve additional data in real time based on what's shown in your report. Integrate custom AI. Embed tailored AI assistants or launch AI-powered workflows directly from your report view. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.